So 5 states, Alaska, Idaho, Missouri, Nevada, and Oregon, are all going to have ranked choice voting measures on the ballot this year. Now that's 5 states. There may be a sixth. I'm not sure which state. That may also have something about ranked choice voting on the ballot. And depending on how these go, if they are passed, they could lead to ranked choice voting being adopted in several more states. Now, Alaska is looking to kind of get rid of ranked choice and go back to plurality voting. Now, what is ranked choice? Well, ranked choice voting is this idea where you go in, if you got 4 candidates, you write down your preferences 1 through 4. Everybody does this. They rank them in order that they would like them to be in whatever position you're voting for. And if no one crosses the majority line of 50% plus 1, the lowest vote total is eliminated. And then they look at every ballot where they were the number 1 choice and go, okay, who was number 2 for that person? Who did they want second most favorable? And they add those votes in where they apply. And then they go, okay, does anybody have 50% plus 1? Yes or no? No. Okay. Now who those vote then those they look at the person who is next, and they just keep going down the line at every step to make sure you got a 50% plus 1 majority, and then you have a winner that way. So 4 states are looking to add it. Alaska is looking to get rid of it. It could be very interesting. This would actually help get third-party positions elected because of our two-party system. Right now, you know that it's going to be one party or the other that is typically going to be the one to win the seat. So you could vote in for a third party as your primary number 1. And if everybody did that and they ended up with a majority, and you had a libertarian who got 50% plus 1 because everybody wrote them as their number 1 choice, they could potentially win an election because people feel like they have the option then to vote for that third party candidate, versus the system that we have now where you feel like, well, I know the third parties only get 2 or 3%. It's not going to be enough of a win. I'm not voting for them. So we'll see what happens with those ballot initiatives coming up in November.